Right now, one company controls almost the entire GPU market.
So the real question is this still a war or already a takeover?
If you're planning to buy a GPU in 2026, you're probably confused between three names: Nvidia, AMD, and Intel. But here's the truth. They are not on the same level. Let's start with Nvidia, the undisputed king. They don't just make GPUs anymore. They control the future of computing. With features like DLSS and insane AI performance, Nvidia cards can literally generate extra frames using AI. That means more FPS without more power. And when it comes to ray tracing, no one is even close. But yeah, there's a catch. It's expensive. Very expensive.
Now enter AMD, the smart buyer's choice.
If you don't want to sell your kidney for a GPU, AMD gives you serious performance for way less money. More VRAM, better price, solid gaming. But here's the problem. Their FSR technology is still not as good as Nvidia DLSS and in ray tracing. They fall behind. And then we have Intel. Yeah, Intel makes GPUs now. Their ARC cards are cheap and decent for beginners, but let's be real, they're not competing with Nvidia at the top, not even close. Driver issues, weaker performance. Intel is still in training mode.
But here's what most people don't understand. This war is no longer about gaming, it's about AI. And in AI,
Nvidia is destroying everyone. From content creation to machine learning, Nvidia is miles ahead. So, who should you choose? If you want the best performance and future-proof tech, go Nvidia. If you want value for money, AMD is your best bet. If you're on a tight budget, Intel can work. But don't expect miracles. But here's the real question. Is AMD catching up fast enough? Or is Nvidia already too far ahead? Comment your choice below, Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and let's see who wins.